How to plant and take care of Euphorbia flowers for ornamental plants for beginners. Euphorbia is one of the genus of flowering plants which has about 20 species. This Euphorbia besides functioned as an ornamental plant, this plant is also medicine and weeds. In Africa, Africans use this plant for livestock pens. Whereas in Mexico, plants from the genus Euphorbia are used as ingredients for making candles, lubricants and waterproofing paper. Euphorbia has a unique flower structure which consists of bracts of leaves that are striking colors such as yellow, red, purple, brown, or green with a small size. Euphorbia has milk sap. Euphorbia milk sap can cause skin irritation and severe discomfort if swallowed. Although it can cause irritation and discomfort, pair of ornamental plants keep growing these plants to be used as ornamental plants in their homes. For those of you who want to plant or cultivate Euphorbia flowers, this time we will give tips on how to grow Euphorbia flowers. But before that, you should know that the stems of the Euphorbia flower plant cannot store water reserves, but the Euphorbia plant is not resistant to excessive heat and water. Here's how to plant and take care of Euphorbia flowers for ornamental plants for complete beginners. 1. How to plant Euphorbia flowers. The success of planting and caring for Euphorbia flowers is found in good planting media. Using good planting media will make Euphorbia plants thrive. Besides that, plants are also healthy, strong roots, sturdy stems, and flowering diligently. So, the planting media used must have adequate amounts of nutrients. Pot as a planting container should be chosen which has good drainage. To meet these requirements, the planting medium used can be a mixture of fuel husk, cockpit, and sand with a ratio of 3:1:1. In addition to being easily penetrated by the roots, fuel husks also have strong properties and can store nutrients or fertilizer. Cocoa peat is the main component of planting media. Its main function is as a storage of water or nutrients, but does not make the media become stagnant. Sand is useful to increase the porosity of the media so that the water will not stagnate. In addition, sand is also useful as a barrier between fuel husk and cocoa peat. If the composition of the growing medium is too porous, the nutrients present in many media are washed away with water. Therefore, Euphorbia leaves turn yellow due to nutrient deficiency. Meanwhile, if the porosity is low, the water is much stagnant inside the planting medium until the media is too moist. As a result, Euphorbia flower roots easily decompose due to fungi or bacteria. In addition, various types of diseases will be easy to attack because the plant media is too moist. 2. Euphorbia flower care. At the time of flowering, give shade with a light intensity of 70%. When the flowering process takes place, the sunlight intensity is quite hot. Because Euphorbia plants cannot flower in shady places. Plants must be placed in a shady place but with only a short time. If it's too long, the flower can bud again and can cause flower failure. When the plants are shaded with a light intensity of 70%, at that time the plants must be watered regularly. At that time, plants must be flushed twice a day. Perform rotation of the enrichment period and flowering. The rotation at the time of fertilization and flowering on the plants is needed. Because if the plant is continuously forced to flower, it is not good. But if you want a continuous flowering plant, it can also be done, but it must be done carefully. If you want plants to grow in a continuous and fertile way. So what to do is take turns. The rotation includes a process of planting that is carried out by alternating steps. Generally, this rotation process takes a long time. That is our video that discusses how to grow and care for Euphorbia flowers for ornamental plants for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.